Hi guys, today we're going to talk about multiplying decimals, and by the end of this lesson you should be able to say I can add, subtract, multiply, and divide with multi-digit numbers involving decimals. And the part of the I can statement that we're working on today is to multiply. So if we wanted to find the product of 3 2/10 and 45/100, I don't need to worry about lining up the decimals as I did before. First, I need to pretend that I'm simply multiplying 32 and 45 and set it up, 32 times 45. When I work it out, I get 1,440. Now, I need to count the number of digits that are behind the decimal point in the original factors. And the original factors are 3 2/10 and 45/100. And I see that I have one decimal digit in 3 2/10 and 2 decimal digits in 45/100. So that means in my problem, I need to place the decimal point in my answer so that there are the same number of digits behind the decimal point as there are digits behind the decimal points in my problem. Since there's 3, I need to make sure that my answer has 3 digits in the decimal point, or behind the decimal point. Let's try another. I want to find the product of 25/100 and 16/100. Now again, I don't need to line up the decimals when multiplying. I pretend that I am multiplying 25 and 16. So when I multiply, I get 400. Now I need to count the number of digits that are behind the decimal point in the original factors. So for 25/100, I have 2 digits behind the decimal, and for 16/100, I have 2 digits behind the decimal. So altogether, that's 4. But when I go back to place my decimal point, so that there are 4 digits behind the decimal, I look at my product and I only have 3. So I still count back 1, 2, 3, and I need a 4th. So in that spot, as a placeholder, I'm going to put an extra 0. Now I can put my decimal point in, and I get 410,000ths, or I can simply say 400ths as my answer. Now it's your turn. Go back and watch this video as many times as you need to, or portions of the video. Then find each product, 1 through 6. To help you out with this, again, turn your paper sideways, just like when we were multiplying regular whole numbers, so that the lines go vertical versus horizontal to help you line up your place values. Pause the video now and complete numbers 1 through 6. Don't forget to WSQ in your notes.